So I was interested in McMaster Engineering because it's a really good school. It's well known. And I took a tour when I was in grade 11, and that's what originally got me interested in engineering.
Well, really, robotics has sparked my interest in the field of STEM, specifically engineering. And a lot of my friends have also gone to McMaster University, and I've heard great things that have made me very excited about attending such a great and prestigious program.
In a university experience, I'm really looking to be able to not only learn and understand what I'm learning, but to also have fun, and McMaster just seems like a very fun environment.
So I'm interested in the biomedical engineering program. I've got a lot of wide interests, like I like science, technology, math, like all the different things. So it was really hard for me to pick just one program that could kind of encapsulate all the different things that I was interested in. So that's kind of what drew me to the biomedical engineering program. So it kind of takes all my interests and passions into one cool program.
I feel like it's a great city. It's wonderful, it's new, it's nice, and a lot of my friends also live in Hamilton as well. I feel like I would fit right in.
I've been interested in McMaster Engineering due to, firstly, the many scholarships that they have available, like the FIRST scholarship and the Shad Fellow scholarship. Another reason I'm interested in the program is their co-op and their many extracurricular activities.